and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I'm taking you along with me as I redo my granddaughter's bedroom. It's a big girl bedroom for our big girl now. So I'm just going to take you along. The first day I was sick, so it's just a compilation of videos that my daughter-in-law and the gentleman that helped me put together. But before we get started, if you're new, welcome, love to have you. Please make sure you hit that red subscribe button so you don't forget. And if you like this video, please hit like. It helps me out so much, and I would love to hear in the comments any ideas or fun things you've done in your kids' rooms or grandkids' rooms or whatever. Love to hear from you. So I guess we're just gonna get into it and get started. So let's do it. So as I said in the intro, I was not here on this first day. So basically what they did is they got the one wall, the accent wall was wallpapered, and then they got the paint on the walls, and they painted the bed, as you can see. So that was day one, and I mean already what a great transformation.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. When I stare into the night, I can see the burning light, shifting slow from red to green. Sweet, sweet dreams. Every breath means letting go. Climbing my silence to show. Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet, sweet dreams. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Re-energize me while I fantasize The next morning when I wake, I feel like Sleeping Beauty, and the world is at my feet. Bring the heat, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light. Maybe you can lay here beside me. Maybe, just maybe, we can rest in clouds and suns. Maybe, just maybe, I wanna explore the unknown. Tell me, maybe, I say come, whatever comes. Maybe, just maybe, deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, re-energize me, while I fantasize. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me, turn out the light. Turn out the light.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah.
Something I wanted to share with you is going along with the paint that saved some money and actually really made a beautiful color. And I've done this many other times with different projects. They had at their last house, she had a real kind of bubblegum pink walls in her nursery. And they had a lot of extra paint. So what I did was, we really wanted to tone, we didn't want it that bright because of the wallpaper. We wanted that to be the focal point. So what we did is we went and bought a gallon of the Sherwin-Williams alabaster white. And what I did is I just dumped everything we had on both sides, the pink and the white, into another bucket. And it made the most creamiest, beautiful pink. It just turned out so wonderful. But if you're wanting to save some money and use some materials, that that you already have, that is a great way. You can just start, with a base white, and then just add in whatever that accent color is, and till it's something that you like. But that really turned out well and actually really saved quite a bit of money.
Just come see, say that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
Gosh, didn't it turn out so cute? I am so happy with it. I just went over the other day actually and set up her Christmas tree. I'll insert a picture at the end, but set up her Christmas tree and a few little decorations that I had in my room last year. I thought would be, cute for her, but it just is so cute. It's so her. For her birthday, she got a Frozen vanity, and she's got more dress up stuff. So she likes to go in there and do her dress up and do her makeup and all that kind of stuff. So it's really serving her well. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I would love to know your comments. I would love to see what you think, or maybe show some pictures of what you've done with your kids or grandkids' rooms. Just super fun. I love to do, my grandkids' rooms or just a new room, makeover. It's so fun. Even if it's not a total makeover, it's just fun to freshen up spaces, isn't it? Have a great day. I so appreciate you. Please make sure you subscribe and that you hit the like button. That helps me so much. And I will see you in the next one.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
So just giving you some insights where things are from. The wallpaper was from Amazon. The bed is from IKEA. The drapes are from IKEA. The rug I found at Target. The hanging over her bed is from World Market. The little plant and hanging basket in the corner is from IKEA. And then the shelves and pretty much everything that was on the shelves were from her nursery at the old house. And we just, I just put it out displayed. I did get that big basket for the stuffed animals from IKEA too. So, it really was a cost-effective room makeover and it really turned out beautiful. So again, rooms don't have to be expensive, the dresser that is in her closet, I got that from Facebook Marketplace. The bed was actually Facebook Marketplace, but the bed was from IKEA. We had looked at a new one. They didn't have it in stock. Her mom checked Facebook Marketplace and boom, there it was. So, just check those places because I tell you that people are selling things and there's good products out there and, you can create a beautiful home with a slightly used product. What difference does that make? It's, if it's going to look beautiful in your home, nobody has to know, and it turned out great.